Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you an easy guide on how to sell your USDT on MEXC P2P trading and withdraw it directly to your bank account. By the way, if you haven't signed up on MEXC Global, check the video description for the sign up link to register and get up to 8,000 USDT beginner rewards. Alright, let's get to the video. First, open your MEXC account. Next, go to Wallets. On the upper part of the screen, tap Fiat. Here you will see your equity value and how much you can sell through P2P trading. If you haven't transferred your assets yet, just click on Transfer. Then choose where your asset is coming from and where it will go. Make sure the to destination is set to Fiat. Once that's done, click on Sell. Now click the drop-down arrow and choose P2P. Select your fiat currency here, then switch to the Sell tab. Now choose a merchant you want to transact with. Make sure to check their completion rate, available amount, and limits. Once you've selected a merchant, tap the Sell button. Here, enter the amount of USDT you want to sell. You will also see how much you receive in fiat. Mine is in PHP. Next, select your payment method. In this demo, we will use a BDO bank account. Enter your payment details including bank account number, bank branch, mobile number. Once done, click Add. When everything is set and correct, tap Sell USDT. You'll now see the order screen. Tap Chat to message the merchant. You can politely remind them to proceed with the payment.
A few moments later.
Once the merchant sends the money, check your bank account to confirm that you have received the full amount. The buyer will usually also send proof of transfer in the chat. After confirming that the funds are successfully received, tap Payment Received. Then click Confirm. Awesome, my P2P sell transaction is complete. And that's how you sell USDT on MEXC P2P and withdraw it to your bank. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.